I love you, you love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you, won't you say you la 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 la? Let's go remix. Love me too. Ay, ay, ay.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation. Barney's friends are big and small, they come from lots of places. After school, they meet to play and sing with happy faces.
Okay, let's start this. Let's do this. Hi, welcome to the first ever episode of Shobe and Friends. Right now, sa unang episode, ako lang, sarili ko lang, wala pa yung friends ko. You will see them on the next episodes. But yeah, I'm Shobe. And ang i-invite ko sa podcast na to ay yung mga friends ko because they're amazing. They're funny. They're intellectuals. Intellectuals? Ano daw? Okay, wait. Okay, hindi ako nag-script ng malala. Sabi ko, go lang, basta sabihin mo yung yung mga gusto mong sabihin. So, gusto ko lang i-explain ng konti why I'm making this podcast. And short short introduction, short episode, ganyan. Wala pa sigurong 30 minutes. Anyways, ano ba yung mga rason? Magbigay tayong tatlo. Sana maalala ko yun. Sinulit ko naman kung ano yung mga rason. Pero sana maalala ko. Oh my God, my brain! Nakakaloka, wala akong kausap. Like, naka-record na kasi ako ng mga 5, I think, 5 episode. And ngayon ko lang nire-record yung first episode. By the way, I just wanna say na yung audio sa mga first 2, 3 episodes, I used this mic and hindi pa pala siya nagko-connect nung nag-record kami. So, rinig yung surroundings, ganyan. I'm gonna try to reduce the noise, pero pag pinanood nyo, it's not professional. Well, pati yung setting, hindi rin professional. Kung saan lang kami makaupo ng friends ko, ganyan, doon, mag-podcast tayo. Right now, right here, ganun. Okay, reasons. Kaya mo din, Shobe. Kaya mo yan! Whew. Unang reason why I wanna make a podcast is to showcase my friends. Because I think they're amazing, they're talented, they're creative, they're unique, they have nerve, and they got the talent. RuPaul, nagnakaw. Okay, they're cunty, ganyan. Ano pa ba? Seriously, I just wanna share them to the world. Wow, para namang may viewers, baka ako lang yung viewer nito. Anyways, just putting myself out there and them. Because why not? Why not? Who would stop me? Who would stop Barney? Oh, yung pala, yung name, Shobe and Friends. Dapat pala nagbiro ako kanina. Like, welcome to Barney and Friends. Mali. Shobe and Friends to. Shobe and Friends. But yeah, I'm just like Barney right now. Look, I have toes. Yellow toes. Okay. Ayun, gusto ko rin yung second. Gusto kong i-showcase yung mga looks ko. Showcase? Puro showcase. Gusto ko lang mag-dress up, actually. And my friends accept me for all the things that I am. All the things that I am. Taray naman. Ang lalim. Hindi, like, sanay na silang makita ako na ganito color violet. Like, kung ano nung mga trip ko sa buhay, ganyan, I wanna dress up as Barney, as him, as a Van Gogh painting, ganyan, kung anong matripan ko. And they're like, go, we support you, we love you, go girl. Period. Ay naku, baka maubos na yung memory nito. Naubos kanina kaya nag-stop after nung intro. So, yeah. So, yun na. Second reason ay gusto ko lang mag-dress up and sayang naman kung hindi ko ipapakita yung mga ano ko, yung mga looks na ginagawa ko. And as much as I want it to be showcase lang sa, siguro showcase, nainis ako, na ipakita, as much na gusto ko siyang ipakita lang sa IG, ganyan, yung mga edit-edits, mga reels. Gusto ko rin na magamit siya sa ganito, kahabang format. Kasi sayang. Sayang, look at me. Period. Hindi kasi yung mga post ko sa Instagram, ganyan. Sa Instagram lang ako super active right now. Inaayos ko pa yung sa TikTok. Like, gagawa ko ng new account for cosplay. Hindi, may account na ako actually for cosplays lang. Pero hindi ko pa na-upload yung mga videos. Because I'm a procrastinator. Anyways. Ay, third actually para sa second din. Like, connected siya dun sa ipapakita yung sarili and all that. Kasi, sa mga ginagawa kong content in Instagram, ganyan, hindi ako masyadong nagsasalita. Like, puro text lang, like captions, ganyan. And gusto ko naman ng ng content, like ng format na magsasalita ako ganito and makikilala nyo ako, makikilala nyo rin yung friends ko, our beliefs, our mottos, our dreams, aspirations in life. Ganon. Gusto ko lang ng platform wherein I could voice out my beliefs in life. Because I believe in so many things. But first and foremost, I believe in myself. Tuwang-tuwa sa sarili, nakakainis. Alam mo, pinapanood ko yung ano, yung mga ginawa naming podcast. Nainis ako sa sarili ko kasi tumatawa ka ng tumatawa. Like, stop laughing! I mean, it's funny. They're funny. I'm entertained by them. They're entertained by me. But also, like, stop laughing! Saka ka na tumawa pag pinapanood mo na lang. But yeah, I guess laughing is fun. Ano daw? Wala nang kwenta yung sinasabi ko dito. Okay, pangatlo. Pangatlo ay, kung ano yun, 2.1, yun, 2.5. 2.5, 2.5, yung kaninang rason. At ang third reason ay connected sa una. Because my friends are amazing. I wanna hang out with them. And I'm making this podcast a reason why we're gonna hang out. Ganon. Sa pilitan, hoy, mag-hangout tayo para mag-podcast. Ganon. Pipilitin ko sila. Hindi naman sila napipilitan. I think, yung mga in-invite ko, yung sa limang na record ko na, they're like, go! Support ka namin dyan. That's why I love my friends. Marami pa akong gustong i-invite because I've got a lot of amazing friends. And I hope they're okay na na-invite ko sila. Also, kung ano to, kung mag-boom, manifesting. Kung mag-boom tong podcast na to, and ma-monetize, ganyan, I would treat them so well. Like, kung kumita ko dito ng sobrang laki, yung level na pwede ko silang dalhin sa ibang bansa, ganun, tapos doon tayo mag-podcast, doon tayo mag-hangout, reunion, ganun. Manifesting. Period. Dami sinasabi ni ate girl. So yeah, damn, my ADHD brain is like, actually hindi ko alam kung may ADHD ako, pero feeling ko talaga, hilig ko kasing mag-multitask eh. And you know what? Kapag nagpo-podcast ka, yun lang yung ano mo, yun lang yung agenda mo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-phone kasi you're like talking to someone and that someone's like talking to you. And mas na-absorb ko yung conversation. And I like that. Also, go to the doctor to know if may ADHD ka. Ay nako. Ano bang pwede ko i-share? O konting, a little bit about myself. Thank you for that wonderful question. Hi, I am Shobe. Uh, I'm purple right now, and one of my goals this year is to cosplay Roy G. Biv characters. So far, I've done red, I've done violet, and I'm excited for all the other colors in the rainbow. Yeah. Oh, let me share some highlights of my year 2026, like quarter one. Kasi malapit na mag-end yung March. Hopefully, ma-upload ko to before the end of March. But a little bit about quarter one of my year is I dressed up a lot and I love that for me. My favorite look so far is I think the Van Gogh. The Van Gogh, go, go, girl! Pero kasi yun, kulang pa siya. Ang makeup ko kasi nun parang nasa neck down. Andun talaga yung art, yung Van Gogh art. Tapos naka-dress ako ito. Naka-Van Gogh. Ay, nalaglag. Naka-Van Gogh dress ako nun. Stay. I love the interaction I got with people from there kasi meron yung parang mga high school or senior high school ata sila. They were like so kind and so, ate, ganda mo dyan. They're like that. And I'm like, oh, thank you, thank you. I was a walking Van Gogh art painting and it was amazing. Ano pa ba? I love the other looks then, but yung him, I was red. That's my red color. And I wanna recreate it kasi yun yung unang time na nag-ano ko, naggawa ng costume by sewing. And it was so bad. It was so bad. But I was out there and I'm like, ako na to. The dress doesn't wear me. I wear the dress. Ha? Ha? Ano daw? Ano daw? Basta, re-recreate ko yung him cosplay, okay? With a better outfit, better aura, better makeup, better everything. Hintayin nyo. Hintayin nyo. Matututo rin ako kasi beginner pa lang ako sa sewing. And may iba-iba pa lang ano yun, stitches. Eh, yung nabili ko, ano lang siya. Ito, wait. Nasa floor lang. Ang binili ko, ayan, parang isang ano lang siya, isang way lang yung pag-stitch niya. And mas maganda pala pag may iba-ibang stitches. Anyways, I'm still learning, and hopefully, ma-master ko siya para makatipid. At saka, para less ano rin, less spending on clothes. Kasi ang gastos ko, ang kapal-kapal ng mukha ko gumastos. Wala akong ipon. Kung meron man like sobrang liit. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nahuhugot yung yabang na bumili na kung ano-ano. Pero sa quarter two of 2026, I'm manifesting, I am wishing, should be planning to na konti lang yung gastusin ko and mag-ipon talaga. Because I want to quit my job, and if I quit my job, I have to have money, you know. I want to pursue this content creation thing, but I'm not there yet. I don't know what kind of branding pa talaga yung tatatak. And I hate that there's a need for branding because I want to try everything like dancing, painting, roller skating, diving, traveling, and having a branding is it's like sticking to something, just one niche, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to stick to one branding, but I low key have to para may consistency yung page. And you know what? I do enjoy scrolling on my Instagram right now kasi iisang team lang, alam mo yun, na cosplay, ganyan, and encouraging to be who you are, to wear whatever the fuck you want. Ganon yung ano ko ngayon, yung mga reels ko, mga content ko. But yeah, you gotta, I guess you gotta play the game to be there. Anyways, I guess dito, ang branding ay nakaupo ka lang, tapos may kausap kang friend, but we can talk about anything, like whatever the fuck we want, and I love that. I love that. So, kung hindi to mag-boom, it's okay. At least I had fun. But I will try my very fucking best to reach out to make this podcast known to people. Come on, dream big, but expect the best, prepare for the worst. Ganun ba 'yun? Basta basta Shobe, aralin mo how people will find this podcast because it's fun. Oh yeah, yung number three. Yung number three, parang hindi lang yun eh. Parang, ano nga yung naisip ko kanina? Oh yeah, wait. Ayun, ayun. Hindi, fourth na lang, fourth. Ang dami kasing mga goals, parang five na nga to, eh, may 2.5 ka pa. Okay, four or five. Gusto ko kapag pinapanood to ng tao, parang, parang andyan ka lang, parang you're the listener friend of the group. Kasi, kung ano na lang pag-uusapan namin, as in, kung ano-ano lang, kung anong pumasok. Pero, may naalala ko, wait, why am I waiting? I could just like cut this. Okay, I'm back. Pero syempre hindi mo naman nakita kasi kinat ko. I have here questions kung sakaling mawalan kami ng topic. And a Pokeball. Actually, parang lalagay ko na lang din dito yung mga yung mga questions. Ang laman naman nito ay random topics. Kunwari itong yellow. It's like, it says shopping. Stop with the shopping addiction. Stop participating with the capitalist society, which I can't. I'm trying, but also, it's hard. It's hard to resist buying something because it brings you joy. So yeah, questions and topics just in case mawalan kami ng mapag-uusapan. Pero I doubt kasi ang dadaldal namin. But yeah, you know what? Malay mo, pag after pag 100th episode na, I'm like, ano pa pag-uusapan natin, bes? Ano pa pag-uusapan natin? Ganun. Pero sana makaabot ako ng 100, no? Like, that would be so fun. And gusto ko rin itong, panoorin in the near future, in the far future. Like, or like that, Baka yung mga opinions ko, beliefs, ganyan, magbago din. Stands, I believe right now, could change, it's nice to look back on something. And yeah, this is gonna be the podcast I look back on to. So that's it. I just want to share that this look took me like just a few hours to put on, but I slept in between. I don't know why I'm like that. Like gusto ko nagpapahinga after mag-makeup or like before matapos yung makeup. Which is so dumb, so time consuming, time wasting. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Ang daldal be. Sabi mo wala pang 30 minutes to. Alam mo, edit ko naman to eh. Oh, pang-5. Okay, 4 na lang yung kanina, pang-5 ngayon. Ayoko na mag-edit ng sobra-sobra. I wanna do vlogs too, but it's so much editing and I'm annoying. I have a hate-love relationship with editing and I'm just so annoying when it comes to editing and making it look so good. Kapag podcast kasi, parang siguro cut lang ng konti kapag yung bawal pala pag-usapan. Ganon. Puro tot na lang yung yung podcast. Bali minimal editing lang kapag podcast. And I will try except this first episode. Siguro marami ako ikakat-cut dito kasi kung ano mga pinagsasabi ko, tapos nawawala ako sa topic and all that. Sa ibang episode, ganun din ako. Ganun din kami. Nawawala talaga sa topic. Kung saan saan napupunta. Yan. Parang direction sa buhay. So yeah, I just wanna create a podcast, content that I don't have much to think about besides what I'm gonna look, whose friend I'm gonna invite, just the little things. Pero yung mismong content na kailangan pa edit, like, konti lang yung isipin ko nun, and I love that. I love that. So, good luck, Shaba and Friends podcast. I hope this becomes something amazing. Something you don't expect na, wow, it reaches this kind of people, ganyan. And Yeah, that's it. That's it. Stay tuned. Next episode will come out next week or in 3 days. We will see kung gaano ako kasipag. But yeah, be patient on the first few episodes. The audio really like may mga technical issues. If you're still here, hi! Sorry kung sumingot-singot ako. I'ma try to edit that. Kung kakayanin. How do I edit that? Okay, that's it. Bye! Have a fun day. Here's a rose for you. Okay na yun. Pwede na yun.